In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Stripe keeps the main account configuration options, including payout and currency settings. After that, open Business Settings. In this section, you'll find the tools related to how your account operates, including the financial details connected to your Stripe setup. From there, click on Bank Accounts and Currencies. This page is where you can manage the currencies your business uses for settlements and, in some cases, how funds are routed to your bank. Next, click Add Settlement Currency. Stripe will then let you choose a new currency to receive funds in, depending on what's supported for your account and region. Select the currency you want to add. It's a good idea to choose carefully here, especially if you're trying to reduce conversion fees or settle directly into a bank account that matches that currency. If Stripe requires it, go ahead and add a bank account for that currency. This step is important because some currencies need their own compatible bank account before they can be used for settlement. Make sure the bank details you enter match the currency requirements exactly. Then save your changes once everything looks correct. Now, if your goal is not just to receive payouts in another currency, but also to charge customers in a different currency, the next steps happen in the payment setup itself. Open the product catalog, payment link, invoice, or checkout settings, depending on how you collect payments through Stripe. The exact place may vary, a little based on the type of payment flow you're using, but the process is similar. When creating a new payment or editing an existing one, select the desired currency. This tells Stripe which currency your customer will be charged in. Be sure to double-check that the pricing and currency selection match what you want customers to see, especially if you sell internationally or offer region-specific pricing. Once you've selected the correct currency, save your changes. That's all it takes to update the currency settings for settlements or customer payments in Stripe. Keep in mind that available currencies can depend on your country, bank support, and account setup. So if something doesn't appear exactly as expected, Stripe may have location-based limitations. Thanks for watching.